Hello. As you may have heard, the College Board has instigated very big changes to the SAT for 2024 on. While international students have already experienced these changes, American students will have their first crack at the new exam format in March. I'm Marcus Lewis, the Associate Director of Admissions and Analytics at InAmerica, and I wanted to walk you through the new SAT format, how to approach it, and what it means for your application. First, the changes. The SAT has completely revamped its format. The new exam is shorter, taking a little over 2 hours to complete. Instead of four long sections, there are now two modules each of the verbal and math sections, each taking about a half an hour. Secondly, it has eliminated reading passages in favor of new question types that test four key skills: craft and structure, information and ideas, standard English conventions, and expression of ideas. To test these skills, the SAT will ask students to put vocabulary words in context, read short passages and interpret their meaning, fix the grammar of other passages, organize information from a variety of sources, and assess arguments. The verbal section is thus very different on the new exam. The math section, however, does not have any new question types. It just has eliminated the no calculator section and put questions in a different order. That order leads me to the third major change on the test. Gone are paper test booklets and Scantron sheets. The new SAT is digital and adaptive, meaning that a student will see harder questions in the second module of each section type if they do well in the first module, and vice versa. So, how should you prepare for this? First, take a practice test, preferably a digital one that is adaptive to get a baseline score. Second, make a study plan that involves lots of practice and strategies and key concepts. Third, take many practice tests to track your improvement. We at InAmerica will gladly help you make and execute a plan. Finally, the biggest concern most have about the new SAT is what it means for your application. Colleges will treat the new digital SAT in the exact same way as the paper-based one, as both versions have the same score range and breakdown. That means top schools will still expect to see scores north of 1400. And while colleges are constantly switching test policies, generally we at InAmerica advise students to try to get a great score so they can have the option of submitting it. Reach out to us at any time if you have specific questions about what the new test means for you or your child.